Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game not launching, crashing, lagging, not loading or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. First method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. Open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. Open Xbox menu, then select settings, and choose network settings, then test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds and unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for the update option, and once the game is updated, check if it's working or not. If not, next is to clear cache of the game. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game, then press menu, choose Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, click on Reserved Space and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select System and then select Updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to check storage. For that, open and press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create some space. And after that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall the game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game, then press menu button and select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open the SpongeBob SquarePants Titan of the Tide official website and download the game once again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from there and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.